Arm & Hammer, Essentials with Natural Deodorizers, Deodorant, Clean Juniper Berry, 2.5 ounces, 71 grams. Product Overview Description. Free of aluminum, parabens and phthalates. Contains Arm & Hammer baking soda and natural plant extracts to absorb and fight odor. Suggested use. Apply to underarms only. Other ingredients. Dipropylene glycol, water, propylene glycol, sodium stearate, sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, citrus medical limonum, lemon, betel oil, citrus grandis, grapefruit, peel extract, juniperus virginiana oil, fragrance, ethylhexylglycerin, octenidine HCl, tetrasodium edta, allantoin. Warnings. Do not apply to broken skin. If a rash or irritation develops, discontinue use. Keep out of reach of children. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.